At Fusefy, we're transforming how voice agents connect with users, and powering that transformation is Retell AI's intelligent knowledge base feature. One of the powerful features in Retell AI is the knowledge base, which lets your voice agents answer detailed and specific questions more intelligently. If you're building something like an appointment agent, this feature is really handy.
You'll find it inside the multi-prompt tree tab, where you normally set up your conversation flow.
You'll see an option to connect a knowledge base. If you haven't created one yet, Retell will prompt you to set it up. Just give it a name and upload your reference material. It could be a PDF, a Word doc, or even a website link. The best part? There's no need for manual tagging or training. Retell's AI automatically reads and understands the content.
Once uploaded, it links directly to your agent. After reloading the agent view, your assistant can instantly start using that information.
So now, when callers ask more complex or policy-related questions like cancellation rules, insurance details, prep instructions, the agent can handle it smoothly. It's perfect for healthcare, HR, customer service, and more.
Wherever you need accurate, natural responses powered by your own knowledge.
Once uploaded, it links directly to your agent. After reloading the agent view, your assistant can instantly start using that information.